In my mid-20s, I made one of the most challenging decisions I've ever had to make in my life. It was one of those turning points where that single decision was going to change the entire course of my life forever. After the better part of a decade, I chose to walk away from a great job. I chose to walk away from the regular paycheck, the benefits, the 401k, the paid vacations, the stability, and the security. Why? Because I knew that I no longer wanted someone telling me what I needed to do. I no longer wanted someone telling me what my schedule had to be. I no longer wanted someone telling me how much I could earn. I wanted control. But control can never be given. It has to be created. And in that creation, I knew that in front of me, I would have all kinds of failure, missteps, stress, and those sleepless nights of uncertainty. Because being an entrepreneur is not easy. It's one of the most constantly terrifying experiences as you ride through both the highs and the lows. But when you feel that call that I felt, that call to start viewing the world differently, to not accept the status quo, to willingly take big leaps, you will realize that there is no better bet than betting on yourself. And once you commit to betting on yourself, then nothing, and I mean nothing, can stop you. Right now, there are some big problems in our world, and it's changing the entire landscape of our industry and how we do business. We have been forced into a situation that we never could have imagined we would be in. But you can't hide from this, waiting for it to get better, or for things to go back to the way they used to be. As entrepreneurs, it is our responsibility to show up and serve. That's why it is times like these that entrepreneurs thrive. It is times like these that innovation is fueled. It is times like these that leaders step up. It is times like these that we embrace opportunity. This is a pivotal moment in all of our journeys, and where we are now is not an indicator of where we will be going. Each and every one of us is a passion-driven entrepreneur. Now is when we roll up our sleeves. Now is when we find our voice. Now is when we stand for our purpose. Now is when we solve problems. Now is when we make massive impact on the world. I believe in this industry and in every one of you who chose to show up. Not only for yourselves, but to show up for those you seek to serve. That is why my mission is to equip you with the tools, the resources, and the strategy to help you own the success that you deserve. Right now is the right time. I cannot wait to see what you will create, and it starts right here at FITposium. Let's go.